All right, never mind. Oh, baby.
I've been running wild. Now you've done it again. Done it again.
We are in Salt Lake City right now. We just landed. I just gave Andrew a call. He's on his way to pick us up right now. But the remodel's all done, so it no longer looks like Dumb and Dumber where Lloyd dropped off Mary Samsonite.
Sad.
But at least we got to see it past couple times like that. What's going on?
No, not much.
All right, where are we at?
Pretty bird.
It wouldn't be a trip here if we weren't Pretty Bird. I've always got level 3 hot. May mix it up. Might get level 4.
Level 4.
Got the food. Still looks good. So we're at Salty Peaks now, and I am finally getting my boots heat molded. The board's so cool. Yeah. We are at Fizz right now, and we're just looking at the menu. So you can get like a bunch of different drinks.
I got the butter beer.
Does it compare to Universal?
No, but that is really good.
It is good? No, this is good. Actually, yeah, so this has Dr. Pepper, coconut, vanilla, raspberry puree, and cream. So this is a bad doctor, and it's good. So it's a good doctor, actually. The swap-a-roo.
Ooh, that's good.
I should have got it. I should have got the other thing. Yours is really good.
I'll drink half and then switch it.
Okay. Yeah, our first Fizz experience.
Later that same evening.
Oh, we're at the base in Layton. So we got some pizza, we got the works, and we got Hawaiian pizza and Cobb salads.
Early the next morning.
Centerville. Do the drive-thru, first time ever. We are at Brighton. We're getting all ready. Cheese. Getting ready to hit the first run today, so should be awesome. First run of the day. Shaka bras.
I've been running wild.
Success. The first run of the year, that's always the worst part, is just getting off the first lift. Look how freaking gorgeous that is. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Top of Snake Creek right now, and look. Goodness.
Wow.
So, do you ever miss her?
Miss who?
That is the right answer.
Every time we do that scene here.
It's not a snowboarding trip.
Yeah.
You can't do that.
No, it is not. But we are sitting here at the top of Pioneer Run. Andrew likes her down there. We're gonna do a couple runs and then meet up with them at the Snake River, or actually Snake Creek. I always say that. I always say Snake River. This is Abby, who just ran into me. GoPro, stop recording. Holding on to my pack mule. Hitting the Molly Green lunch spot. We got the Great Western nachos again. I think we got them a couple years ago. They were really good.
Like the chili.
Oh yeah, chili and such. Very good. All right, this is the first run after lunch, and I am trying this lens mod on for the Mac Super View. Let's see how this goes. Shooting 2.7K, 60 frames a second, and we have the horizon lock on, so let's see how sweet this is. Okay, Max Lens Mod Part 2, because the battery died as soon as I hit record. We are about to do the last run of the day up here. Let's do it. We are at UTOG Brewing right now. Got the wing sandwich. I think Lexi did too. Andrew got cheesesteak and we got a brat. Hey, Abby, stop. No, no. I said you couldn't eat my fries. That's the only one. It's really good. You only ate your pickle.
It is really good.
Yeah, it is good.
Early the next morning.
Egg bites, the bacon, a grande pike. Yeah, and then can I get a venti cold brew with light ice, please? Good morning. We are in Park City right now. We're going to get our lift tickets. We're just like walking in Park City Village right now, and then we're gonna get our lift tickets and get our stuff together and ride today. So it's very excited. We actually, this was sold out pretty much for the last week, but I checked like 10:30 p.m. was able to get 4 lift tickets on Friday night. So we are here and it's exciting. All right, getting ready to hit the first run. Everybody ready? Good? That was cool.
Shaka bra.
Okay, we are about to hit Pen Saloon for lunch. Abby got the pulled pork, super good. We got the barbecue, or actually just the burger. Andrew got the burger. Red Bull, chili. Yeah, we got the Browns game on right here. Pen Saloon shirt.
I got one too.
Yeah, it was a t-shirt and a shot for $10 or just a t-shirt for $10. So,
No shot.
no way.
A little later.
Mush. Yeah, this is really nice for these flat spots. That's too much. All right, we're taking old McConkey's run, or McConkey's lift.
McConical. McConical? McConkey.
McConkey.
I said McGonagall because Harry Potter.
Oh, McConkey sounds like a character in Donkey Kong.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're taking McConkey up to the top here, and this is going to be the last run today because the lift shut down here in like 10 minutes, I think.
Aww.
So, I know. Today went too fast.
Yeah. Today was really fun.
Yeah,
though.
today was really good. There's so many trails here at Park City. It's, well, they said, what you guys say, it's the biggest in the United States?
I think so.
The biggest resort in the United States.
You heard it here first, folks.
The US of A. So yeah, there's tons of runs, and
Didn't do anything.
we barely, actually, well, we hit both sides. There's a mountain village and then there's canyon side, and we crossed into both. So that's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Yeah, let's do this.
High five.
Alexa, stop. Or
Not today. There's not enough stuff for that.
Cheating on me.
GoPro, stop recording, not Alexa.
That meme is like so relatable.
I know. I get my servants mixed up. GoPro, stop recording. We're about to do the last run. Everybody ready?
Ready?
All right, let's do it. Yeah, do it. Look at that old mill out there or something. That thing is sweet. I don't know if it's like an old mining mill or something. If you're watching this video and you know, let me know what that is in the comments. I'd really like to know. Although I can probably Google it when we're done. Well, Brown's lost it. We watched it right here with this view. Hey, good season though.
Yeah. Yeah. Cut.
All right, well that was our day at Park City.
Yes.
That was
awesome.
Yes, I had a lot of fun today. That was a lot of fun. Yeah, duh, I said that. I'm about to get yelled at for my mask hang up. But yeah, I don't think we did the same run twice except like that last one coming down to the beginning. But it was enough to keep us busy this whole day. So that was sweet. Abby's really good at loading boards in.
I'm really good at puzzles.
You actually are, yeah.
Tetris.
She's good at puzzles. She can do
Sudoku. Oh, I've
she does like, yeah, she does like Sudoku.
No, I've never like tried.
We also like the puzzles on Mario Party when she uses Monty Mole. All right, Monty Mole. Hey, careful with that. That's the Burton Deep Thinker. It's vintage. It's a 2019 model.
I was thinking about that. What year did we start snowboarding?
Well, I mean, I bought my first board in 2008. Took a while to get the hang of it. I still don't got the hang of it. All right, we're just gonna check out a few shops here at Park City Village, but they have a little ice skating rink. Yeah, I don't really know where we're gonna go. I know, I saw them. All right, we're at Park City, Main Street, Banksy sign, Java Cow. Feels like we were just here. But what?
Kind of weird.
Yeah, July. Yeah, we saw this last year when we were in Park City, and then we never realized that this is on the Sundance episode of Entourage. Ari Gold was hanging out with Franz as well. We have been hooked on Real Housewives of Salt Lake, and I know we saw this in the summer, we just couldn't remember, but Meredith Mark's store.
And we're too embarrassed to vlog inside.
Yeah, we're not gonna vlog inside, but we're gonna go in. Did you get anything in there?
No.
It isn't our vibe.
There were some things, yeah.
Was there? Oh,
But
okay.
like, maybe like 20%.
Oh, okay. So 20% vibe, 80% not our vibe. Okay, we're gonna eat at this Mexican restaurant. Okay, our food just came. We got chicken burritos, and Abby got chicken quesadilla. And I'm not sure what Andrew got. And then Lexi got a burrito as well. This salsa is super good. Here's a little background on the Banksy, the cinema stage rat. So he visited Park City to attend premiere of the film Exit through the gift shop at the Sundance Film Festival on January 24th, 2010. And I don't want to read the rest because it's cold, but I bet it's fascinating. That'll do it for the vlog. We had a wonderful time here.
The bestest.
The bestest. Don't forget to hit that like, hit that subscribe, leave a comment below, and we will see you on the next one. What do you got to say?
Oh, and wish Michael a happy birthday because tomorrow's his birthday.
Yes, so this is a wonderful birthday weekend. All right, this is the first run after lunch, and I am trying this lens mod on for the Mac Super View. So let's see how this goes. What?
wasn't it?
We have made it to Salt Lake.
SLC.
Yep. We are in Salt Lake right now. What was that? Fuck, dude. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. We'd really appreciate if you hit that like and subscribe if you haven't already.
And don't forget to follow us on Instagram and TikTok.
And we will see you on the next video.